Hi everyone. So in this video, I will talk about how to crack the NEET PG exam along with the job. So see, I have a very simple point over here. And the simple point is that if you really want to study, the job will not hamper your preparation. It's as simple as that. If you don't want to study, even if I'll give you 48 hours in a day, you will still not be able to complete your course. During my internship at Maulana Azad Medical College, our internship was very hectic. But I identified that yes, these are the days which will be very hectic. So I will read a subject which I am well versed with. These are the days which are light. So I'm going to read a particular subject in which I need more attentiveness, more time. So that is how I divided my subjects and that is how I segregated the topic. So that is the whole point that I want to tell it to you. Do not crib onto your circumstances. Identify the reason why you joined the job. There has to be a reason. If you joined it for the financial crisis, as happened with most of the people, I mean that was an important part. If you joined it because of a peer pressure, because your friend was joining it, you can leave it at this point of time. If you joined it to serve the country, as was done by a lot of people, the wave is slightly settled, you can take a call for the next 2 to 3 months on that particular part. So identify the reason that why you joined a particular job. Now make your schedule in a way you will have enough time even after your duty hours, so that you can complete your syllabus, you can complete the task that you wanted to do. My only request to you is please do not crib onto your circumstances, rather try to make best use of it. Those who have done the job, God is looking at it, and I'm sure that you some way or other you're gonna have some advantage. As a lot of people say, karma is looking at it. So you have served the society in some way or other. You gonna be benefited on that particular front. Those who are working, they are also getting benefited because they are getting more time. So it is your pure heartedness, it is your pure intentions, whatever are be that intention, the intention should be pure. Okay, so with that pure intention, either do your work or study, whatever that you are doing, please do it with honesty. That's all, and I am sure that God is looking at it, and as everybody says, karma is looking at it. So definitely you will have an advantage in one form or other. Do not crib onto your circumstances, rather make best use of the circumstances with which you are in. Okay, all right, so that's all. Thank you very much and all the best.